equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Start by unplugging the device and removing the screws located at the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, carefully detach the internal components. Take note of how everything is connected. It's a good idea to take photos for reference. If you encounter any difficulties, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, inspect the laser unit for any visible damage or dirt. Use the compressed air to gently clean around the laser lens and other sensitive areas. This step is crucial as dust can significantly affect performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. After cleaning, check the wiring connections. Look for any loose or frayed wires that may need replacing. If you find any issues, use the multimeter to test the continuity of the wires. This will help you identify any faults that could be causing the malfunction. Once you've completed your inspection and cleaning, it's time to reassemble the unit. Carefully place the components back in their original positions, ensuring all connections are secure. Replace the back panel and tighten the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure everything is snug, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Before powering the device back on, double-check that all screws are in place and that there are no leftover parts. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, plug the device back in and test its functionality. If it operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Conga 3890 laser. If not, don't hesitate to contact us for further assistance. Our service is designed to be convenient, with no calls and no travel required on your part. We are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.